London, a city that blends centuries of history with modern marvels, where every street has a story to tell and every landmark holds a piece of the past. From the iconic Big Ben to the towering Shard, there's something truly magical about exploring this vibrant city. Join us today as we take you through 23 must-see locations in London, from hidden gems to world-famous sites. Whether you're planning your first trip or simply dreaming of London, get ready for a journey you won't forget. So what's the best way to experience London? Let's find out together. Let's start with one of London's most recognizable symbols, Big Ben. Officially known as the Elizabeth Tower, this giant clock stands tall beside the Houses of Parliament and has been ticking for over 150 years. It's more than just a clock. It's a true London icon. While many mistakenly think Big Ben refers to the entire tower, it's actually the name of the bell inside. Its chimes have resonated through the city for decades, marking both time and historical moments. And the best part? You can catch stunning views of Big Ben from all around the city, especially from Westminster Bridge, where it creates that picture-perfect London scene. Next, we head to Buckingham Palace, the official residence of the British monarch. If you're lucky enough to visit during the changing of the guard, you'll witness a centuries-old ceremony of precision and tradition. But there's more than just the guards. The palace's exterior is stunning, with its golden gates and perfectly manicured gardens. Nearby, you can stroll through St. James's Park, one of London's most beautiful green spaces. Whether you're here for the history or the royal connections, Buckingham Palace is a must-see. Tower Bridge, another iconic structure, is often mistaken for London Bridge, but it's the one with the impressive bascule and suspension design. Built in the late 19th century, it stands as a marvel of Victorian engineering. The bridge opens up to allow ships to pass beneath, and if you visit, you can explore the Tower Bridge exhibition, where you can walk along glass walkways above the river for a breathtaking view. It's a symbol of London's past and its innovation, and it gives you a perfect photo opportunity, especially at sunset. Moving along the River Thames, we reach the London Eye, one of the tallest Ferris wheels in Europe. Standing at 135 meters, it offers an unrivaled view of the city. On a clear day, you can see for miles, spotting landmarks like St. Pauls Cathedral, the Shard, and even Windsor Castle in the distance. The experience is breathtaking, with each capsule offering panoramic views of London. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a local, the London Eye gives you an entirely new perspective of the city. Next, we dive into the hustle and bustle of Oxford Circus, London's busiest shopping area. Known for its world-famous department stores, designer boutiques, and high street brands, it's a shopping paradise. But Oxford Circus is more than just shops. It's the heart of London's fashion scene, with cutting-edge trends and vibrant street style everywhere you look. If you're looking to experience London's fast-paced energy, this is the place to be. Now let's visit the Tower of London, a fortress with over 1,000 years of history. Once a royal palace, prison, and even a zoo, this iconic structure holds countless secrets. It's also home to the crown jewels, where you can marvel at the dazzling regalia that has adorned British monarchs for centuries. The tower is one of the most visited attractions in London, and its history is rich with tales of intrigue, betrayal, and power. One of the best ways to experience London is by taking in its cityscape. Whether you're in the business district or exploring neighborhoods like Soho, you'll be surrounded by stunning architecture that blends the old with the new. From the modern glass towers like the Gherkin to the historic stone buildings lining the streets, London's skyline is ever-changing. Head up to one of the city's rooftops or grab a spot by the Thames, to watch this incredible urban landscape unfold. Standing proudly along the River Thames, the Houses of Parliament is another iconic symbol of British democracy. Home to the House of Commons and House of Lords, this is where some of the most important decisions in the UK are made. While the building's Gothic architecture is breathtaking, it's the history within these walls that makes it so captivating. You can visit for a guided tour to learn about the political process, or simply admire the exterior from Westminster Bridge, especially at night when the building is beautifully illuminated. The River Thames has been the lifeblood of London for over 2,000 years. From trade to transportation, this iconic river has shaped the city's history. You can walk along its banks or hop on a river cruise to see the city from the water. Some of London's best-known landmarks line the river's edge, including the London Eye, Tower Bridge, and St. Paul's Cathedral. It's the perfect place to enjoy the view, take a relaxing stroll, or capture beautiful photos of the city's skyline. Next on our journey is Kew Gardens, a lush and tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of London. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is home to one of the largest collections of plants in the world. With over 50,000 living plants, it's a botanical wonderland. Visitors can explore the beautiful landscapes, walk through the famous Palm House, and even venture to the treetop walkway for stunning views of the gardens. Whether you're a nature lover or just in need of some peace, Kew Gardens offers a perfect retreat. St. Paul's Cathedral is one of London's most majestic landmarks. Its massive dome dominates the skyline, and it's a marvel of architecture. Designed by Sir Christopher Wren after the Great Fire of London, this cathedral stands as a testament to resilience and beauty. Don't miss the chance to climb up to the Whispering Gallery, where you can hear whispers from across the room. And of course, the view from the top is nothing short of spectacular, giving you a panoramic look at London's cityscape. At 310 meters tall, the Shard is the tallest building in London and offers some of the best views in the city. Known as the Shard for its unique, jagged design, this skyscraper stands as a modern symbol of London's architectural innovation. You can visit the observation deck to get a 360-degree view of the city, stretching as far as the eye can see. From the Shard, London looks like a living, breathing mosaic filled with history, modernity, and everything in between. Camden Town is one of London's most vibrant and eclectic neighborhoods. Famous for its markets, alternative fashion, and live music scene, Camden has a distinct bohemian vibe that attracts people from all walks of life. Explore the Camden Lock market for unique antiques, art, and vintage clothing. If you're a music lover, check out the venues where legendary acts like Amy Winehouse and The Clash performed. Camden is a place where creativity and individuality shine, making it a must-visit for those looking to experience a different side of London. Notting Hill is the neighborhood that stole hearts all over the world, thanks to the famous movie. But even without the Hollywood glamour, this area has so much charm. Known for its pastel-colored houses, vibrant Portobello Road Market, and its relaxed vibe, Notting Hill offers a great mix of history and culture. Whether you're hunting for antiques at the market or simply strolling along the picturesque streets, there's something undeniably special about this part of London. Covent Garden is where culture meets commerce, with its beautiful market square, street performers, and historic buildings. It's one of the best places in London to soak up the local atmosphere. You can shop for unique gifts in the boutiques, enjoy a performance by a talented street artist, or visit the Royal Opera House for a show. Whether you're looking for something to do or just want to enjoy the lively atmosphere, Covent Garden has it all. Hyde Park is one of London's most famous green spaces, offering a peaceful oasis right in the heart of the city. With 350 acres of open space, it's the perfect place for a leisurely walk, a picnic, or even a paddle in the Serpentine Lake. In summer, the park hosts a variety of events and concerts, while in winter, the atmosphere becomes magical with festive lights and decorations. Whether you want to relax, exercise, or explore, Hyde Park is the ideal place to recharge while enjoying nature. One of London's best family-friendly attractions, the Natural History Museum is a must-see for anyone interested in the wonders of the natural world. From dinosaur skeletons to the depths of space, the museum's exhibits cover everything from the Earth's history to human evolution. The building itself is a work of art, with its stunning architecture and intricate details. Whether you're a science enthusiast or simply curious about the world, the Natural History Museum is an adventure for all ages. Oxford Street is London's premier shopping destination. With over 300 shops, it's a retail lover's paradise. From high-end department stores to affordable fashion chains, Oxford Street has something for every shopper. Beyond the stores, the street itself is an iconic part of London's history and culture, with bustling crowds and colorful displays. If you're looking to do some shopping in London, you won't want to miss out on Oxford Street. Piccadilly Circus is one of London's most famous intersections, known for its bright neon lights and the iconic Shaftesbury Memorial Fountain. It's often referred to as London's equivalent of Times Square, attracting both locals and tourists alike. From here, you can easily access theaters, shopping, and restaurants in the West End. And just around the corner, you'll find Leicester Square and Regent Street, two other hotspots in London's vibrant entertainment district. Regent Street is another of London's most famous shopping streets. It's lined with beautiful Georgian architecture and home to some of the city's most prestigious stores, including Hamleys, one of the oldest and most famous toy stores in the world. Whether you're window shopping or looking for something special, Regent Street is a place where both history and retail come together. The street is also famous for its annual Christmas lights, which light up the city during the holiday season. Leadenhall Market is one of London's most beautiful and historic covered markets. Its Victorian architecture and colorful shops make it a picturesque spot to visit. It's also known for being one of the filming locations for the Harry Potter movies. Can you spot the entrance to Diagon Alley? Whether you're shopping for unique items or simply admiring the architecture, Leadenhall Market offers a charming slice of London's past. Greenwich is famous for being the home of the Prime Meridian, the line that separates the Eastern and Western hemispheres. You can stand with one foot in each hemisphere at the Royal Observatory, where you can also explore exhibits on astronomy and timekeeping. Greenwich also has a rich maritime history, with the Cutty Sark and the National Maritime Museum offering fascinating insights into London's seafaring past. Last but not least, the Millennium Bridge is a pedestrian suspension bridge connecting St. Pauls Cathedral to Tate Modern and the Globe Theatre. It offers stunning views of the River Thames, with the cathedral's dome towering in the background. The bridge itself is an architectural masterpiece, and walking across it gives you a feeling of being truly immersed in the city's design and beauty. Plus, it's one of the most photographed spots in London. And there you have it, 23 unforgettable landmarks in London, each one showcasing a different side of this vibrant city. Whether you're captivated by history, culture, or stunning views, London truly has something for everyone. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your trip and make unforgettable memories. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to I Love Moments for more amazing travel content, and share this video with your fellow wanderlusters. Until next time, happy travels.